to let you know, so the name of the place is the Four Seasons, and we are at the Elena restaurant. Yeah.
Bon appetit, or
Buen
in
appetit.
Spanish?
Buen provecho.
Bon provecho.
Buen provecho.
Okay, maybe you can explain what you have?
Okay, so there's a lot of options. There are a lot of options and different stations which I like because it's not everything concentrated in the same place. But I have some. I think it's bread, like homemade bread. Some what do you call this? These are eggs. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs, potatoes, roasted tomatoes, some roasted mushrooms. A tiny French toast, butter, fruits, bacon, orange juice, coffee.
Okay, yeah, so it's a variety.
Huh?
It's a variety.
Yeah, you have a lot of options.
Wait. Well, since I don't know the name, so you're gonna tell me, Marcos.
It's a mini French toast.
Mini French toast, so there you go. So, Marcos has been my speaker of the house all the time.
Everything we need over here. This is the mate itself. You have the yerba mate inside.
Oh, here we go.
Yes, the leaves. It grows here in Argentina. Then we have just regular hot water and especially made straw so you can sip from it and don't get all the leaves in your mouth. Okay, so this is how my mom taught me, okay? Everyone has their own way to make. So first you gotta shake it a bit and you gotta turn it upside down. In that way, you dust it off, but you also create like a little mountain, see? Okay. So at this point, we add the hot water in the lowest point of the little mountain. And then you put the straw in, and it's ready. And you just sip from it. And what is important is that you always refill it in the same place, so you make the taste of the yerba mate last longer. If not, you get a couple of first really good strong mates, and then it's going to be washed out. We call it lavado. So it's bitter, and it will give you a boost of energy just like coffee. But you can add some sugar, sweetener, or even honey in it if you like. Some people have it sweet, some people have it bitter. So that's it.
Something important, you don't touch the straw with your hands.
Oh, really? Is it an Argentinian thing?
You don't touch the straw with your hand. You just suck the straw. Easy, it's hot.
You can taste the leaves.
Bitter, you need to finish it.
Oh, really?
Don't touch the straw with your
there you
hands.
So this is my first mate. It's also my last day in Argentina, so I'll be leaving later in a few hours going to Rio. So good thing I was able to taste a more authentic one or here in Argentina, because I know it's available in Australia, but it might not be the real thing. And nobody will teach me that you have to do it halfway, make a mountain out of it, and that's the area we're gonna put the water all the time. Yeah.
You have yerba Argentinian now.
Vamos, vamos.
Vamos, vamos, Argentina.
And then Marcos is the camera.
Actually, it's interesting that they give you the option to have the mate, because it's not common in restaurants. You cannot find a mate in a restaurant.
That's what you told
I
me.
think they do it here in Four Seasons, just to show, like, just to add an extra experience to the people.
This is weird. Usually you don't use a teapot or
Oh, okay.
you use thermo
The one.
or
Yeah.
a real kettle.
Okay.
But we are in the Four Seasons. Okay. You always put the water in the same place.
Yeah.
You try to keep half dry, half wet. If
Yeah.
everything wet, you need to change
The leaves. Okay.
It's really this yerba. It's really soft.
Mm.
It's not strong.
depending on the leaf, you have different strength.
Okay.
So this one is really soft.
Yeah.
Probably because on purpose so people it's not so
Yeah.
big for people. Salamat po, everybody.
Okay. Give a rating since you like to rate things.
The mate, I cannot rate the mate. For me, it's a 10 always.
Oh, okay, there you
I
go.
mean, it's impossible to rate it.
And that's the mate at the Elena restaurant here at Four Seasons. Yeah. Alright. We need a thumbnail.
We need a thumbnail.
What can you say about the breakfast?
Breakfast was lovely. I mean, I loved the vibe of the place. I loved the variety of options.
Yeah.
It wasn't like huge, but at the same time, it was a lot to choose from. The breakfast finishes at 11,
Yeah.
right?
We came at 9.
Yes, and the people working there were really friendly. They also offer the mate
Mate.
option just to see how to make it, and it was. I think that's a really interesting thing to do, especially with tourists.
Yeah, I think they overheard us and noticed that I'm new to Argentina, so they kind of showed me as well how to make the mate and go into detail because, I mean, it was great because I didn't really had mate in the past few days.
Yeah.
That was my first mate.
So he was his first mate, and he also saw the procedure to do it, which is interesting. And he bought his own mate, so now he can do it. Overall, I think it was a great experience. I loved it. I loved the restrooms, really nice restrooms.
And if you rate it in stars,
I would say it's a 9, 10.
okay. Probably same for me as well. 9, maybe not 10. 9.
9. 9 is a good number.
Yeah.
Salamat po.
Salamat. No, gracias.
Gracias.